Customize your home screen widgets using the WebLink Host app, and only show what's important to you. With your smartphone connected to your vehicle screen, open the WebLink Host app, then tap on the Apps menu. The Apps screen shows you which apps are available for your specific vehicle screen. You can influence the order, widget size, and visibility of the apps displayed on your vehicle's home screen. Simply drag apps up or down the list to change the order in which they're shown on your vehicle screen. Alternatively, choose a preset from the sorting menu. Most apps also allow you to define the size of their widget. Select an app, then choose your preferred widget size. And if you'd like to hide an app from your home screen, simply turn the app toggle on the app settings screen to the off position. Enjoy your ride! Visit helloweblink.com to learn more.